sheet, a spinnaker sheet, when it decides to, that it doesn't want to hold on any longer. I think this was going to pack some punch. I'm seeing turning sideways off the water. We just registered 40 knots, 41 knots. That nasty, nasty looking cloud is headed our way. Yeah. 40 knots right now, and it's not really that fun. To do it.
It's 40 knots for the last half hour. 45 right now.
This looks like a pretty road right here.
Watch yourself. I don't have lost it. Whew, that was close.
Good job.
Come off a bit.
We don't really want to catch that on camera, but that's what we got right now. It's not a good situation. That's 44 knots right now. That gust must have been like close to 50. The weather forecast had called for mid-20s with gusts to the low 30s, but the 40-knot conditions switched on in a matter of minutes, going from the 20s to the 40s. We'd hoped for a short break to put in a fourth reef, but the break really never came. And as it turned out, it was probably safer with 3 reefs. You can't see it from the video, but the seas were very steep and deep. The boat might have slowed down too much in the troughs if we'd gone to 4 reefs, and this could have been dangerous if the boat got pushed sideways by a wave. We're still in this. This is like 15 minutes later, man. We have not gotten a break.
No, not at all. Got really wet and we're holding on tight.
We've had some really crazy rides. Crazy rides. It's hard to even film this because you really need 2 hands. The boat is very violent. The boat's doing a fantastic job. But right there's, we've been steady at 50 knots. We're doing 16 at 50 knots. It's actually moderating a little bit. There hasn't been quite as many gusts. For the days to come, we would continue to have winds in the mid to high 30s. Once the winds settled down to the high 20s, we finally felt comfortable enough to set the A5 spinnaker again. After that, we had some really nice consistent speeds. And during that period, we set a 24-hour speed record for the final leg of 315 nautical miles. Basically a steady 40 to 50 here. That. On top of everything else, I just turned the camera off, and right immediately after that, we hit a log. It broke to pieces. It was a major bang. It hit the rudder.
Hold on.
We don't know the damage to the rudder right now.